Hi guys, I am here today to review the natural Rainforest Cologne made with real aloe, yes, by Espree. Now, I feel like this product could potentially be perfect for a time in which you bring your dog out and he gets a little stinky, yet you do not have time for a bath, you want to freshen him up. Maybe your dog is going on a date. I'm really excited today to test out this cologne.
Living on a farm makes you stinky. So we're going to use some cologne.
So I have to say, after using this product on our dog, it is amazing. It is a very refreshing smell. It is light. It is natural. Our dog did not have a reaction today from this. It's really a good product to just have on hand. Any dog owner can appreciate this. So I have to say the Rainforest Cologne by Espree gets a huge thumbs up from me.
There is an array of products made by Espree that could fit the needs of every dog owner. I am also happy to announce that all of the products featured in the video today will be donated to a local animal shelter.